Hi, Miss Vanessa here. Welcome to Family Fun in the Kitchen. And today we are going to make a very simple snack.
We are going to make garlic bread pizza.
The first thing to do before you start preparing your garlic bread pizza is to turn on the oven and set the temperature to 400.
This recipe calls for a few items: garlic bread, mozzarella or any cheese of your liking, pizza sauce, and pepperoni.
We're going to go ahead and start lining the parchment paper. If you want to use a cooking spray, it's just so that the toast doesn't stick to the cookie sheet, and it would be a lot easier to take off.
The parchment paper is lined onto the cookie sheet. Now it's time to place the garlic bread. Next, you're going to spread the pizza sauce onto the toast. Now at this point, you get to choose how much sauce you would like to apply. Either you want a lot of sauce or very little. Now sprinkle the cheese. The next step is to place the toppings of your choice. As you can see, I chose pepperoni. Carefully put the pizzas into the oven. Always ask for adult supervision if needed or adult help. Set a timer for 8 to 10 minutes or till the bread is brown. Last but not least, enjoy your creation. Making these pizzas was very yummy and a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this and make it with your family. Thank you for stopping by and watching our video. I hope to see you next time. Bye.